But for expanding creativity in dance or in any art, because I'm gonna say in any art, you have to look outside of the art to go back to it. Let me break it down. A wave is a concept, but in order to come up with that, they had to look at water, strings, puppets, you know what I'm saying? Like different things to make them see a different concept of something. Let's use this. I can use this right here. That's a concept. That's a concept. Now, when I tap my head, I can send the wave down as the paper towel, you know what I'm saying? I sense something, or I can wave it. Now that's a new concept I just created just now from the up wave. See, now it's the paper towel, or you can like tap something, and now it's the paper towel. See, it's simply put it like that. I'll put it, that's in simple terms. But in the way I do things, because I want to be like a top name in dance, I look at cartoons, I look at animations, I look at the videos I'm normally watching, the people who I'm watching, their energy. Jim Carrey. You might see me in my dance videos, peep my dance videos. Like, I'm not saying this to build no clout for myself. I'm saying this because it's proof of what I know. When I watch Jim Carrey, this nigga's face is art. He created his face as an art to project something. Now I watch Lay Twins. Lay Twins look up to Jim Carrey as well. That's why their faces express so much in dance. You feel me? So when I'm dancing, I'm not just like, and you see my moves. That's not how I dance. I dance like, you know what I'm saying? My face is switching because the music is switching. If the music switches and my face don't switch, I've trained it in my brain like, it don't fit no more. Because I can be moving to the beat, but I'm not feeling it. Like, unless I'm trying to be funny or something, this is not gonna cut it at a party. You gotta be, you know what I'm saying? Like,